Hey there, Trooper Stars, Dave Schmidt here, and today I'm going to show you how to make traditional sausage with a trip to my in-laws to see their sausage traditions? Here's the ground pork, 30% fat, 70% meat. Then we have high temperature cheese and some fresh garlic. Here's what 20 pounds of pork looks like. Throwing in some salt. Oh, what's up, pepper? Throwing in some of that too. And now it's time for some good old-fashioned hog mixing. Hands are best. Watch out, it gets a little chilly. Here comes some garlic. Just a bit of water just to kind of make it... I don't know why. There's a bit of water anyway. Mix it up good. Gotta distribute that flavor. Now we also put in some mustard and tender quick. You'll notice there's no amounts here, and that's just because we fry it up and then we taste it after and make sure it's good. Alright, now it's time to stuff the sausage meat into the sausage cylinder. Make sure you press it in good and don't leave any air in there, because otherwise it'll make air in the casings and you'll have to deal with that, which can be annoying. Alright, then you put the cylinder into this machine here, which I'm told is made out of a lawnmower, a fire extinguisher rack, a Coca-Cola rack, and at least 2 or 3 other things. But most of us would just go to Cabela's or whatever and buy something like this. But here is a handmade one that's pretty cool. Alright, now he's going to put the casing onto the end here. And the other guy is going to start twisting the arm and forcing the meat into these casings, which is just an intestine, it seems. Alright, the sausage is going to start going into the casing. Here it comes. Gotta be really careful as you start pumping in. Watching out for air and just doing it just right. You'll get a hand for it after you do, a few dozen pounds. Alright, here's the turning guy side of the operation. You'll see there's some air going in. It's good to have a pin around to poke that out and to try and avoid that at all costs, but you always get some. As you can see here, he starts poking it with a pin to try and get that out, and then we're going to full-on time-lapse mode here as sausage production is in full force. As you can see, link upon link is coming forth and making more and more sausages. That tube is about 10 pounds worth, and there's another 10 pound in the cylinder. We made about 40 pounds that day. Right, then you gotta hang that stuff, and of course you'd hang it where you hang your laundry. Alright, we're gonna try some high temperature cheese for the next batch. Curiously, this cheese barely melts even in the frying pan. Alright, another time lapse, this one from a different angle. And here you can see more and more sausage being created. Can't wait to eat it all. And cook it up. Some wood into that smoker and get that smoke rolling. This is a large cylinder that will be hanging the sausage from the top. There we go. Where there's smoke, there's fire. And that's going to make our meat really tasty. Had to throw in this touching grandfather-granddaughter moment, of course. So, enjoy that. Alright, now to load the sausage into the top of the smoker. You'll see there's some that are kind of more bratwursty links and some that are large links. I don't know the terminology. That's just for variation. Have different, when you're at the end, you have different options for cooking. Well, they get hung at the top on this very safe barrel apparatus. Alright, here's the second load getting put in very safely. And now we're going to close the lid using this arm and adjust the vent on the top, and we're ready to go. They're not done yet. We freeze them like this, and then they can be cooked in the oven or on the frying pan, kind of pre-smoked. Alright everybody, so that's the video about how to make traditional sausage, at least how my in-laws make it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to thumb it up and leave comments below, and we will catch you next time.